Dear Rasikas, Sarvajanopakari Chidambaram, Dr. V.V. Swarna Venkatesha Dikshidhar, Shankara Navaragatala Kirtanavali. Kirtane number 2. The composer prostrates with profound devotion to the preceptor of the world in the name of Shankara, the permanent inhabitant of Abhiramapura, who is considered to be the protector of the world. Shankara is the Almighty, who gives protection to those who surrender themselves at His feet, who set aside the fear of death, smile on His face wearing the saffron-colored dhoti, the Lord of celestial beings, who gives His prescribed things to the devotees and who has fantasy in the Samaveda. Charanam Charanam Shankara in Ragam Gole, set to Trisya Matyatalam, sung by Dr. V.V. Swarna Venkatesha Dikshidhar. Next music air, C.G. Sundar Dikshidhar.
Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanagata Janarakshana Jana Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanagata Janarakshana Jana Charanam Charanam Shankara Marana Karana Mahaniya Charana Marana Karana Mahaniya Charana Janma Marana Karana Mahaniya Charana Janma Marana Karana Mahaniya Charana Karunaramana Kashaya Bharana Karunaramana Kashaya Bharana Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanagata Janarakshana Jana Charanam Charanam Shankara Indradi Surya Branda Sugata Indradi Surya Branda Sugata Ishabhiramapura Nivasa Indradi Surya Branda Sugata Ishabhiramapura Nivasa Sandanadi Saubhagya Prada Sandanadi Saubhagya Prada Samaveda Kama Jagadguru Sandanadi Saubhagya Prada Samaveda Kama Jagadguru Charanam Charanam Shankara Charanagata Janarakshana Jana Charanam Charanam Shankara Ay